car on my side of the road. These people up here cannot drive. And this happens all the time. In East Tennessee and Western North Carolina, people come around curves, half of the car on the opposite side of the road. That's ridiculous. See right here, it says French Broad River. See it? We're in Hot Springs, people. Yes, we are. I don't see no barricades, unless there's barricades at the railroad tracks. They said they wouldn't let nobody in the Hot Springs, North Carolina. I don't see none. So that girl, that was two people over on the Tennessee side, told me they had barricades. They wasn't allowing nobody in the Hot Springs, North Carolina. So you can never believe what people say. Well, a lot of times, 50% of the time. Get me something to drink. I am severely thirsty. Right here in lovely Hot Springs, North Carolina. The Hillbilly Market. I'm going to stop right here at the Hillbilly Market. That's what this is, right here on the right, the Hillbilly Market.